Every time your battery hits 20%, do you still turn on low power mode and dark mode by hand? There's an iPhone automation that handles it for you. When your iPhone hits 20% battery, it can do this automatically, and I'll show you how. Part 1. Below 20%, low power mode and dark mode on. Step 1. Open shortcuts. Open the Shortcuts app. Tap Automation at the bottom. Tap New Automation. Step 2. Choose battery level. Scroll down and tap battery level. Set it to 20%. Select falls below 20%. Choose run immediately. Turn notify when run on. Tap next. Step 3. Add first action, low power mode. Tap add action. In the search bar at the bottom, type set low power mode. Tap set low power mode. Make sure it says turn low power mode on. Step 4. Add second action dark mode. Tap. Add action again. In the search bar, type set appearance. Tap set appearance. Make sure it says set appearance to dark. You should now see two actions. Turn low power mode on, set appearance to dark. Now, whenever your battery drops below 20%, low power mode and dark mode turn on automatically. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Subscribe for more iPhone tricks, automations, and hidden features that Apple doesn't always explain properly.